Today I am so excited to be able to share with you one of my favorite recipes. This is a raw vegan sushi. This one hits the spot and it will leave you coming back for more. Now I'm going to share with you some of my tricks so that you'll be able to make this one too. So in order to make this recipe, what I am using is coconut pulp. I used the coconut pulp after I got done juicing some coconut milk. And this forms a nice fatty consistent base. So I'm going to put this in a bowl. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and add some finely chopped up tomatoes. And to give it a little bit of flavor, I have a few garlic cloves. So I have about 3 garlic cloves I went ahead and minced up. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this together. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the sushi roll. So I'm going to be using the Nori sushi roll as the paper. Now when you put the base down, I'm going to go 1 inch away from the end. And I'm going to actually make sure I go all the way end to end because I want the whole sushi to be full, the sushi wrap to be full. So as I said, I'm going to go all the way from one end to the other. I'm just going to use my fingers here. And the one thing that's really fun about making sushi rolls is you can be as versatile as you want. So in doing this, you can use whatever fruit or vegetable you want in your roll. So I'm kind of feeling a little bit creamy and sweet today. So in addition to the coconut base, what I'm going to be putting is mango, a little bit of avocado, and then I just have, for some extra fillers, I'm going to be using carrots. These kind of give it the roll a little bit of an extra tensile strength, kind of holds it together so it won't just kind of fall apart. And then I have zucchini. I'm just going to add not too much, but just a little bit. And I like a little cucumber because it gives it a refreshing taste as well. And now when you roll these, you're just going to take it, I prefer just to use your hands. Some people will use a sushi roller, but you don't always, in real life, you're not always going to have a sushi roller on hand. So you're just going to go ahead and roll it. Now to do this, I'm just going to pull everything together and roll. On the end, you need to put a little bit of water with your fingers to make it stick. So you're just going to come in, put a little bit of water on the ends, and that's going to close up your roll. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and cut these into bite-sized pieces. And here you have raw vegan sushi rolls. These are absolutely delicious. I suggest you try them.